Debbie with Kip's Corner. Welcome back, and if you are new, welcome. I just wanted to pop on really quick and show you a recent purchase from my new favorite Etsy shop for some Sari Silk, some unique color combination Sari Silk. If those of you have been watching, and you may have seen my Purple Botanical soft cover journal, and the cover had purples and greens on it. And when I was working on that, I went on a mission to try to find some Sari Silk that I thought would be cool and unique and go with the colors. And I found this. This is called, this color blend is called Secret Garden. And so I had that on that journal. And at the same time that I bought this one, I bought another one that I actually thought would go with a different journal I was working on, and I didn't. I love the colors, but it wasn't what I was ultimately what I was looking for, which happens to me all the time. And it's called Harvest Moon, and it is also absolutely gorgeous. And it has these oranges and sort of this teal and cream, just a beautiful blend. Look at those colors, beautiful blend of colors. And this is called Harvest Moon. So I went back and got some more, and that's what I wanted to share with you. The name of the shop is Color Burst Silk, and the shop owner is Melissa. And this I think is probably well, I love all of them, but this is called Fairy Tale, and I may actually use this one on my Secrets cover. I don't know. I can't decide yet if I like that pop of color, but look, I think it would be really pretty. And it's kind of got that, it's got those browns, but then you've got that pop of that, it's kind of a wine. So I don't know. It might be too much. I don't know. I'll play with it. But this, again, is called Fairy Tale. And I love it. It's beautiful. These come in 10-yard packs. And you actually, you don't have to get them ironed. I prefer, when I'm putting Sari Silk as a closure on the outside of the journal, I prefer them ironed. I just think it's just it just gives it that nice fluffy kind of bow. And so I usually iron my own. And when I order Sari Silk where it can come already ironed, I'm totally going to take advantage of that. This is beautiful browns and creams, and it's called Havana. And it's just got gorgeous, I hope you can see, I don't know, am I in? There you go. There you go. It's called Havana. Absolutely gorgeous. I left the bags out so I would remember the names. This one is just it's like kind of a steel blue, lots of blue, silvery blue mixed. And that's just it's got a faint lavender to it, pinkish tone in some of it, very faint, very faint. And it's just gorgeous. This one is called Blue Cylinder. Okay. Then this one is called Ghost Story, and it's got those deep wines and purples in it too, along with that golden color. See these deep, beautiful. I don't know yet what I'll use it on. I didn't have anything in particular in mind. A couple of these I got to just see if I liked them with the Secrets journal. And I'll show you which ones I was thinking of. So Copper Canyon. This is Copper Canyon. It's just beautiful. I thought this would, whoops, I'm bumping the table, sorry. I thought this would be really pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? It's just so pretty. These deep colors. Rich, very rich colors. This would be pretty on I think, well, I don't know. This one is called Tiger's Eye. One of my absolutely favorites as I was looking through all the colors, and she's got a lot more. I tended to pull, other than the corally color here in the Copper Canyon, most of the ones I selected are more muted tones. She has some very, very bright ones too, like I don't know, I think one's called Unicorn or something like that. So she has some very fun, bright colors. But I just love these blues and browns. And yeah, beautiful. That's Tiger's Eye. So the ones that I was sort of toying with the possibility of using on this journal, let's see. One was this one, which is Havana. So, and I think it's the more subtle. You can see that? The more subtle, well, it's tied with something pink. So here, let me flip it over. The more subtle one of them. And you see it's kind of got that, I think it would be really pretty. And then the other one, again, that I'm really toying with the possibility is Fairy Tale, which I think is gorgeous. So help me decide. Fairy Tale, which is this one, with that kind of a wine, and there's some pale, some very, a little bit of green tonies, and the cream, kind of an ecru. So Fairy Tale or Havana. The rest of these are for future use. I will use them, I promise. I always use my Sari Silk. So here we go. Here they are side by side. You can help me decide. Which one do you like? Do you like Fairy Tale or do you like Havana? I'm thinking it's going to be one or the other of those two on this journal, both of which are gorgeous. I just can't decide which one I like. Anyway, just to reiterate, the name of the shop is Color Burst Silk. Color Burst Silk. The shop owner's name is Melissa. If you stop by and take a look at her gorgeous Sari Silk, please tell her that Debbie from Kit's Corner sent you there. And yeah, that's all I got. I just wanted to share this with you and get you to help me figure this out. Havana or Fairy Tale? Let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.